Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a sweet rice. This is not normal rice. So I'm not sure if this is already a recipe, but I will show you how to make it either way. So first off, what you want to do is make normal rice. Nothing extra, just plain rice. After you get that out of the microwave or the stove or however you cook it, what you want to do is you want to take milk and you want to pour it until it just covers it. You want it to kind of be even, the rice. But don't worry, I washed my hands before this. You want to barely cover the rice with milk. Like, if there's a couple of heaps that go higher than everything else, don't worry. And then after that, you want to add about half an inch of butter. And we'll stir that in later. Then you're going to put this in the microwave for 10 minutes. Now this seems like a lot of time. It is, but don't worry. It's worth it at the end. Now since this is milk, it does bubble up a lot. So when it's in the microwave, you want to watch it and you want to let it bubble over to a point. So like, let's say you let it bubble over until it's here, and then you stop the microwave and let it go back down. That's what you want to do to make it cook. So, you put it in the microwave for 10 minutes and make sure it doesn't bubble over. See you after it's done. Okay, I'm back, guys. So after you put it in the microwave for 10 minutes, it should be like very creamy, and whenever it should make like kind of sound like oatmeal whenever you stir it with because it's very moisturized. And I forgot to say this in the last part. Make sure not to cover it or the milk will seep all over your microwave, so don't cover it. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is you want to take about a teaspoon of vanilla extract and put it in there. About that much. And you also want to put cinnamon in it. It's your choice amount of how much cinnamon you put in. I do like cinnamon, but I don't like too much in it. So now you want to stir it up to combine all the butter that you put in and the cinnamon and the vanilla extract. And it's fine now. You can eat it now. But there's one thing that you can put it in: an egg yolk. If you put this in there, it's at your own risk. I mean, you probably won't get sick, but there is that small chance that you will. So if you put an egg yolk in there, just so I have this yolk. I accidentally popped it already. You want to really stir it in there. Now it's going to make everything this yellowish color. I've eaten it many times with the yolk. I've never gotten sick. But just know that this is at your own risk. You can just eat it without the yolk too. So you can always just not put the yolk in. And after you've done all of this, it's pretty much done, and it tastes very good. It's sweet rice, or rice pudding, I've heard some people call it. And what I like to do, you can either eat this hot or cold, and I put cinnamon over the top. Quite a bit, actually. So hot or cold, you can serve this, and you can put other things in there too for the taste, such as normal sugar as well. And so that's how you make this rice pudding. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment how it went when you made this. Goodbye.